What is going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I'm going to be testing out a case for the Pixel 4 XL. It's a fashion case by SunnyW. Picked this up off of Amazon for $9. It's supposed to be ultra slim, soft to touch, powerful, super protection, and this is for the Pixel 4 XL. They have two color choices. You have black and then you have navy. I went with the black one. Fully body, rugged, clear bumper case. So this is a two-part case. You have the bumper and then you have the front casing, and they're just kind of showing you how to go ahead and put the case on the device. And let's go ahead and take a look at the case. So right now I'm seeing there's two sides of plastic, the inside and then the back part has plastic. We'll start with the back to go ahead and pull the plastic off. That one was the easy one. And then for the inside, you might want to go ahead and pull the bumper off and take the plastic off that way. Not so difficult to do. So here's the inside plastic. Now let's go ahead and put the front casing on the Pixel. Go ahead and line up everything. Make sure that you're putting it on the correct way. So it looks apparently that I am doing that. So not so hard to go ahead and put the front casing on. It's more about just snapping that in. You see all the cutouts there. Everything seems pretty deep. So once we put the bump on, we'll be able to have buttons to press the power button and everything. As you see, there's nothing there. It's pretty deep in there. So putting the bumper part of the case on is also just about kind of stretching slightly and snapping right on in. That's a 30-second installation, pretty easy, and everything is everything. The sides have nice grip and the back is clear, so you can still check out your phone. All cutouts on the bottom are nice and deep and precise. And let's see, there's nothing on this side, but that grip is apparent. And then here are the buttons, and they stick out pretty nicely, so you don't have any issues pressing the power button or the volume buttons. And that was the installation of the case. Let's check the wireless charging, which of course you shouldn't have any issues with the wireless charging. As you see, bada bing, bada boom. And then let's go ahead and check how much is raised off of a surface. And as you see, not very much protection as far as facing it down. You see right there, it's not the best that I've seen, but it's not the worst. You get some type of protection. Well, that just about wraps it up for the SunnyW case for the Pixel 4 XL. I want to thank you all for joining me in this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.